Never felt more like a winner than I do tonight. Never more certain the path laid before me was right. You over there with the curls in your hair, couldn't find more of a reason to stare. Never seen eyes look into me as you do tonight. And honey, I've been racing the wind like a bird, been chasing the weather.
But the rust that I'm concerned about is right there. Like, how did that happen? A little bit here and here, like in the floor, little bits, and then here. But it's not much. I mean, it's gonna, I think I'm just gonna sand it down, and a little bit up here too. This one I'm not so worried about because I know where that came from. There are holes in the bottom of the van, so I know that's where that came from. So that's not a big deal. I can seal that, sand it down, and stop it. So that's fine. It's the stuff I don't know where it came from that worries me. Otherwise, it looks really good. Pretty happy. I think I'm just gonna sand it down and protect it, paint it, and just go with it. Like, if it is gonna rust for the next 5 years, I'm not gonna have the van in 5 more years. All right, we're gonna try to remediate a little bit of the rust here. I have no idea what I'm doing. Whew. It is cold in Minneapolis today. I've got my coffee, heading down to the storage unit to, today I'm going to work on the sound deadening. We're going to get that done. And I might start cutting templates for Windows. We'll see how long everything takes. I never really know, but it is, whew, it is cold. I had to leave the van running while I was getting coffee because we're gonna do some sound deadening to the van. These things are basically just tin cans, so apply this. I chose the brand Kilmat. It seemed like what most people were using, but there are different brands. And you don't need to cover the entire van. I think they say like 65% or something. So you just apply it, you roll it on to the bare metal. It's so tinny, and you also put it all the way around over the wheel wells, and so I'm going to get started. This first one will be a test spot, I think. just cut it. Let's see. Cut's easy enough. It's just butyl tape on the back. Do very first spot right here. Just roll it on. Today I was thinking of maybe doing the floor because I wanted to see some really fun progress. And I might get to it later, but I decided I think I'm just going to do a couple little tasks that I can use to just kind of distract myself and get something done. I do have I don't know what you call it, a shelf liner. So I can extend here so I can put more storage up here. I might install that today, I think, or at least I'm going to look at it and decide what I need to do so I kind of can plan how much time it's going to be. The van also was missing the weather stripping on the door here. So I did get some weather stripping. I'm going to put that on. I might cut a floor piece just to start. Sometimes it's hard for me to start the bigger projects. So if I just force myself to start, then I won't be as intimidated the next time I come in to say I'm going to do the floor. If I have to learn how to do the floor, then I'll put it off. So if I can just learn how to do the floor today, then it won't be so intimidating to get started tomorrow or Sunday. I got a Pergo laminate floor that I really like. It's going to look really nice, so I'm excited about that. Didn't sleep super well last night, so I slept in a little bit, which was kind of nice. But it's another cold Minnesota day, and it's so wearing to get out in the cold, get my coffee, drive down here, and then it's not especially warm in this storage unit. So I'm always kind of have a constant chill all day unless I'm working hard on something. It's progress and you gotta deal with it. But I would just love to be out in a driveway in 75 degrees working on this instead of in here at, I don't know what it is in here, 45 degrees, maybe 50. But I am so thankful to have this place to work on it. I have it for 3 months, really about 7 weeks left, I think. I didn't get started right away, so I do have to really crank and wait, I'm supposed to do this, right? Well, I'm still here. How come I don't change scenes? When you do this, it's supposed to go to the next scene. Doesn't that happen automatically? I don't get it. I don't even know how to do any of this. Hey folks, all right, I'm making a little progress on the Kilmat here. I'm just testing this one wall, and then I was just kind of curious to see if I could tell the difference. So I think you can. I don't know if you'd be able to tell it from here, but if I knock here, okay, and then I go to the side that isn't. Can you hear that? A little tinnier. So it does absorb sound. So that's good. I'm happy about that. Little ways to go. Got to do the ceiling, this wall, and the floor. I should get that done today. It's time consuming, but it's really not a bad job.